Hello, this is Jessica Frost-Ballas for Heffy Doodle, and today I'm sharing how to create stencils from dies and how to use stencils for embossing. So let's get started. Heffy Doodle carries a great cloud stencil, but I don't have it, so I decided to improvise. I die cut a bunch of clouds using the Silver Linings cloud border dies from white cardstock. Then I placed them over an A2 panel of white cardstock and blended Distress Oxide inks over the stencils. I used spun sugar, worn lipstick, spiced marmalade, squeezed lemonade, tumbled glass, mermaid lagoon, shaded lilac, and wilted violet to create a rainbow of puffy clouds. While that was drying, I stamped the cute angel harp and music notes from My Little Angel with VersaFine and heat embossed them with clear embossing powder. I colored them with Copic markers and then die cut them with the coordinating dies. After my rainbow panel was totally dry, I placed the older Raise the Roof stencil over the panel and ran it through my die cutting machine with an embossing pad. This created a raised letterpress effect over the clouds. Next, I die cut a bunch of swirled clouds from white cardstock and vellum and adhered them on the panel with my angel. I also added a sentiment from My Little Angel. Then I decided to add a little sparkle by adding touches of crystal glaze to the clouds and sprinkling them with Prisma and chunky glitter. Finally, I added even more sparkle by applying Spectrum Noir Clear Sparkle to the angel's wings, dress, and halo. And that's it! I hope you enjoyed my card and it gives you some inspiration on how to stretch your crafty products. Thanks so much for watching, have a fantastic day, and happy crafting! Bye!